Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today I'm doing some more deep cleaning and I am getting ready for company to come. And you guys know, I don't know, maybe you guys don't know, but when I'm going to have company, I clean things that there's just no way they're going to look at, but it's going to bother me if it's not clean. So I have to get in there in the nooks and crannies and clean it good. So the first thing I'm going to start with is obvious, and that is taking apart my couch and washing it in the washing machine. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Heidi. Welcome to Heidi's Home. My couch is from IKEA and the entire thing is covered, and you can take all the covers off and throw them into the washing machine. And I have washed my couch a million times. It still looks good, and all the stains and everything, if I drip coffee on that thing, it comes out. I love it. So now I'm going to be doing some windows, and I am using my steam cleaner today, and I love this thing. I bought this one. This is my second steamer, and I bought this one from Aldi. Now it does come with different attachments, so if you know about these steamers, I could be using a different attachment on my windows, but I just love it because if there is anything stuck on or dirt, if you've ever used one of those steamers, once you glide that across your surface, you can actually see the dirt just run down. I mean, it really gets it. And so you're going to see me also take that steamer and run it on my curtains because they are a little tiny bit wrinkled, and I'm just going to run a little steam on them after I get done with the window. So now I'm going to be cleaning the floor behind the couch because, every time I go to somebody's house, I always climb behind their couch to look at their floor just to make sure that they are cleaning it. Somehow I have that in my head. But I am going to use my hardwood floor cleaner, and I'm going to get this really good and clean. It really was in need of a good mop and a good sweep up. It really needed a good deep clean, and I'm so glad that I did it because, to be honest with you, it has been a while since I got behind there, and I could not believe how dirty it was. Yes, that is me. Video of me steam cleaning the brick on my fireplace. Do you know those little tiny crevices get super, super dusty? And it's almost virtually impossible to get anything in there that will get all that. Now this probably looks a little crazy. I understand that. But I'm going to tell you, when I got done and I sat down in my chair in my living room and I got to looking at this, wow, what an absolute improvement. Like, I couldn't believe how well it cleaned that fireplace. It looked amazing when I was done. And once I got the brick done, I got on my hands and knees and I did that black part on the floor in front of my fireplace. That is actually cement, because this is actually the original fireplace that came with the house. And so I am going to be wiping that down and cleaning it as well. Now I'm going to clean another window and behind this big oversized chair. This is in front of our staircase. This window has a crack in it. It definitely needs to be replaced. That is something that we've kind of been talking about having done next year. We've got actually 2 windows that we really would like to have replaced in the house, so we'll see what happens. You know, I made a list of things that I wanted done this year for, this summer, and I just can't believe it, but we actually got even more done than I actually could ever had hoped for. And I just feel really, really blessed that we was able to accomplish as much as we did. It was all outside work, but a lot of it got done, and it just thrills me to death. So maybe next year we can focus on maybe some window replacement. We will see. But again, I am using my handy dandy steamer. It really does wonders for a dirty window. I'm also going to be getting all of that wall wiped down and all the little nooks and crannies of the floorboard and everything. Just making sure that everything's good and clean behind the chair. And, it just feels good to get all those little areas that you don't seem to get all the time. So now we're going to move my husband's piano. If you didn't know, my husband's a musician. He sings Southern gospel music and he plays the piano. And so I'm going to clean this here area up. And if you are really familiar with us, then you know that in October we will be starting his live gospel broadcast back up on Facebook. And it is on a page called Ron and Heidi's Ministry. And so anyways, I am cleaning this area. We usually film like right in front of that hutch with the piano whenever we do our live broadcast. So I'm getting in behind here and really getting it good and clean and dusted, because I don't know what it is about equipment, but we have sound equipment that is inside the hutch. Anything black gets super dusty, and so I'm going to give all of that a good wipe down. So now I'm going to clean out this hutch. I have this just kind of making a garbage pile and a keep pile. And funny thing is I found something that I thought was missing. But have you ever decided to put something in a safe place and then forgot where your safe place is? Well, that's me. So I had a waterproof watch that I wear at the gym because I cannot see the clocks in the pool area. And so we've been asking people like, what time is it? What time is it? Asking the lifeguard, what time is it? And I found my watch. So no more asking everybody what time it is. I found my little, I call it a letter board. I'm sure it has another name. I bought this last year, and I'm going to take the wording out of it and change it, and it's going to say Kinder's Home. It lights up. It's really cute. I got mine at Aldi. And I just like to play with it. Sometimes I'll put like a fall saying or scripture or something motivating or inspirational in it. Anyways, I'm just going to put Kinder's Home today, and I'm going to sit it out because I think I'm going to probably use it for the holidays. So when I washed my couch, I only did the main cover because the rest of the cushions were spotless. So I just did like where the arms are because that's where I sit all the time. And I'm notorious for dripping my coffee on the arm of the couch. I admit it. But nevertheless, it's washed now, it's clean, and so I'm going to put it together. It takes a little bit of muscle work to get the cover on there, but I promise you it is totally worth it. Usually I keep the part where you sit on covered with a gray blanket, but you won't see it in this video because I put it in the washing machine and I put it on later. Okay, one final good mop through my entire living room, especially the main walkway, and I will be done. And then I'm going to make supper, which tonight we're going to have, on this particular night, we had chicken fajitas. and we had it in low carb whole wheat tortillas. Very delicious, very filling, and that's what we're going to have for dinner. I want to thank you for watching Heidi's Home. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy seeing a real home, real cleaning, real life, this is the place to be. So hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Have a fabulous week.